Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Kickass DCDC charger and wiring kit plug and play. First off in the video we've got our rear tray fit out also, so you'll see us doing the drawers and how to install the wiring kit that I sourced from Kickass. You can get this from Australian Direct. They have all of your 12 volt. It's a really easy install. As you can see here, we've done it from the battery straight down the drivetrain on under the tow bar. The instructions are really easy to follow. We then placed the battery into the dual battery box, connected the bolts into the positive and negative. Everything's got an Anderson plug and it started up straight away as soon as we start the car, and fitted in perfectly. Video. All in all, Kickass system, really easy. You don't need to be sparky to put it in. It's all plug and play. As long as you know how to use the Anderson plug, simple. The smart charger is really good because you can plug your solar and inverter straight into it. You don't need your own separate things like going onto the battery itself. You just plug it all into the smart charger, and I'm really happy with it. It didn't take us long at all to put in. The drawers took longer. Connor really hated the drawers, but highly recommend this product. Very simple, easy to follow. Hope you liked the video. Cheers.